Hi, welcome to Simply Maker channel. Today I'd like to show you how to use this 3D print blade extractor for Swann-Morton Scalpel. Swann-Morton Scalpel is always my favorite craft knife. Their interchangeable blades are extremely sharp and come with different types you can choose for your application. It's well made from rust-free stainless steel, and also it looks really good. Moreover, I feel it is more comfortable to hold and fit in my hand than other craft knives with cylinder handles. But it comes with no cap to protect your hand from its sharp blade. It's also difficult to safely store them. So I also designed 3D print caps for them. It perfectly fits number 3 scalpel handle with number 10A or number 11 blade. You can also check it out in the description. Another con for this scalpel is it hard to remove the blade. Normally you may remove it with a long nose plier. Anyway, I will show you how to remove the blade with this 3D print blade extractor. The blade extractor was an original design by M600 on Thingiverse. He also has a box version that will collect the used blade inside a sealed container. The extracted blade cannot be retrieved. I didn't try the box version because most of the time I just like to change blade type and reuse it later. Both were designed to use with number 11 blade. I found that it was a little tight for other wider blades, such as blade number 10A here. So I just remixed it with a little wider slot and also reinforce it with a thicker wall. All the links to STL file are in the description below. The blade extractor is really easy to use. First, just put the blade into the slot. Make sure to push it to the end. There is a curve on the extractor and the handle. It should contact. Next, bend the top end of the extractor up and pull the handle out. The blade should easily slip out from the handle. Anyway, please be careful to put your finger away from the blade when putting the handle into the slot. Remember, the blades are extremely sharp. That's all. I hope you find this video is helpful. If you did, please consider to giving it a thumb up or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.